Welcome back, YouTube, to another video, another quick tech video. In this video today, we have the Apple Watch Series 3, and I have a case that just came in the mail for the Apple Watch Series 3. So I wanted to show you guys what it looked like, take it out of the box, slap it on the case so you can spice up your Apple Series 3 watch. Keep in mind, this is a 42mm watch that I have here. I do have another band, but in this video today, this is the standard band that comes with the watch. So I just wanted to keep it standard, but put a new case on it and show you guys how you can spice up your Apple Watch Series 3 and get a little bit more bang for your buck. Also, guys, just to let you know, I did a video on this Apple Watch Series 3 on why you should buy it in 2019. Go take a look at that video. I still believe that this is a hot buy right now, currently. If you find one, you should definitely pick it up. With that being said, I'll be right back. So as you can see, I got the case taken out of the box, and this is what it's currently looking like. It is more of a red-ish color. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's more of like a reddish color. And the way that you change these cases out, or put cases on your watch, and or take off these bands to change them out, is there's a button that you have here. You just take a press on this button, and you can slide your, just like that. And I also have the face on my watch. It is in red. Hopefully it matches and kind of goes well. But so you just take your Apple Watch and you slide it in just like such, and you place this over the watch just like that. I had to put my code back in. You place it over the watch just like that, and this is what it looks like on. So now let's go ahead and put the bands back on right now and go from there. So you just take your bands and you just slide them all the way back through just like this till it locks in place. You take the other band and you slide that one back in until it locks in place. You take your other band and you slide it in until it locks in place, just like that. And there you have it with the case already on. Let me put it on my wrist really quick, and this is what it looks like on your wrist right here. With the actual red accents for the time, makes it just look awesome. And to pair it with my phone, I know you guys just saw that other video, but this is what it looks like with the phone. So just imagine, you know, you got your phone that's in red, you got your face on your watch in red, you got the case on your watch in red, and I mean you're just, you know, you're just killing the game with this. So I highly recommend, if you saw this video, go out and copy one of these cases to spice up your iPhone 8 Plus, and go out and copy you a nice case for your Apple Watch Series 3. And this is what it looks like side by side with the 8 Plus in red. Got the red case. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a comment below. Go check out this video as well. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a comment. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.